Hey guys, I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a no-edit slime challenge. And I'm really excited but also really nervous because usually I take like a long time to make my slimes. And today I'm doing an ombre slime and it's going to be a pretty pink color. So what I'm using today is some white Elmer's gold glue, some aloe vera lotion I got from Dollar Tree, 3 spoons that are just spoons, some red food dye to make a pretty pink color for each of my different slimes, this really pretty glass bowl that I also got from Dollar Tree, and some Staflo liquid starch, that's my activator. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get right on into it if I don't waste any time just talking. So, how's life? I'm in my bathroom today. It might look a little different. Do you guys like the new room or you want me to keep doing the kitchen? Comment down below. I'm going to make a nice big slime that I'm going to put in different parts to dye it and stuff. So I'm going to add some lotion. And the thing about this no editing video is that I have to like constantly talking. If you guys don't get like really bored. I don't know why I have 3 spoons. I was going to make 3 different slimes. Then I got in here and I'm like, it's already been a minute just me introducing myself. So it's going to be a long video of slime stuff. But hopefully that's going to be okay, right? Okay. Go ahead and get right on into it and start activating so I'm not going to waste any time today. Okay. Staflo is not as strong as borax, so I don't have to be as careful while activating as borax. Well, I guess with borax you can make it as strong as you want since you added in the borax different times. Are you guys really bored right now because like there's no music? I just like to have music around my video. Not today. I think I got activated pretty fast. It's not done yet, obviously. Kind of do this a little more for you guys can see it better. Oh yeah, it's really glue. But hopefully it'll be better after I start kneading it. Yeah, I like this lotion because you can definitely feel the softness after adding it in. Staflo is probably my favorite activator because I like the kind of texture it gives it. It's kind of like a fluffy-ish, airy texture. Comment down below what your favorite kind of activator is if you ever used like different types of activator. I know some people only use borax or only use Staflo, something like that. I use both borax and Staflo. I one time used Tide from the Dollar Tree during me and my friend Kayla's Dollar Tree slime challenge that we did on MK Crafts. So definitely go check out MK Crafts. It's our channel that we do together. We post every Sunday, Slime Sunday, and every Wednesday as whatever Wednesday is like random little fun things like crafts or something like that. If you're wondering how to spell MK Crafts, it's capital M, capital K, R-A-F-T-S. And our profile picture is me and her with slime. Okay, so it's still a bit sticky. That was a lot of Staflo. Mixing it in. Oh, I'm actually kind of starting to go with my hands a little bit. I love just making slime. It's so entertaining for me. And it's really satisfying too. Okay, I think I should be good. So I'm going to go in with 2 hands now. Because I still have a little Staflo at the bottom of my bowl. I just need to really knead it in. Because if you just like, there's tons of little strings in slime. And that has overactivated slime that you need to mix into the other slime. So yeah. I should add a tiny bit more activator before going on my hands. Try to get it off real fast. Get some more Okay. I still have to remember that I can't edit this, so I have to keep talking. Perfect. It's probably good. If anyone's wondering, I am 12. And once again, my middle name is Claire. And my mom's maiden name is Claire Taylor. So that's why my YouTube channel is called Claire Taylor. Okay, my arm is dying. Like I said, Staflo is a lot less strong than borax. So I'm probably using like double or 3 times as much Staflo as I normally do with borax, but I prefer that what the Staflo gives to the slime over what borax is. Because borax doesn't really change the texture at all. But Staflo and Tide and all those things do so much change it. Oh my gosh, my arms. I'm gonna mix up this hand now. Come on, Staflo. You need to keep working. Hopefully this is enough. I mean, I have so much Staflo, like a whole cup of Staflo in here. Crazy. Okay guys, I'm really sorry my camera shut off, but as soon as I saw that shut off, I stopped fixing my slime. But I'm back now. I think the slime is good. I'm going to put it onto the counter now. Try to clean off my bowl. Okay, just gonna mix up my hands now. Okay, it's a tiny bit sticky. I'm gonna keep mixing it so I don't overdo it. But I think it does need a little more. There was quite a bit of glue in there, so I guess it does need a good amount of activator. But borax wouldn't need nearly as much. It sure smells good. I love the smell of Staflo. It smells really good. Oh, gross. I love making this normal slimes. I feel like people always kind of underestimate normal slimes. But they're really nice, and a lot of times they can be like thick and really clicky and stretchy and stuff. So it's nice to sometimes make just normal slimes. No one really makes those anymore. It's always about collal or butter or something fancy like that. But to be fair, this is how slime really started. This is this type of slime. Oh, this is nice. Ooh. Okay, so I think I finished that around like 7 or 8 minutes. I think it was around 8. It's pretty good for me because usually I don't add too much activator. I don't add enough activator. It gets all sticky on my hands. I have to clean it all off for like 10 minutes. So they actually did pretty good. So good job, Staflo, and good job, me. Really nice. So now I'm going to make a pretty ombre. So I'm going to try to cut it into like thirds. I think it's good. It's not a little too much. Okay. So now I have 3 equal pieces of slime. And so now I'm going to dye them each a nice color of pink. So this one's going to need like half a drop of pink. It's going to be like my light shade of pink. I'm going to mix that in now. That's really pretty. Kind of reminds me of peppermint. You can't really see it that well on camera, but that's kind of what it's like. Looks looks like bubblegum. Ah. It looks lighter on camera than it really is, so it's a tiny bit more dark than you see. It's kind of like a nice bubblegum color. It doesn't look like bubblegum slime, but that's what it looks like. It looks like a bubblegum. Well, it doesn't feel like a bubblegum type slime, not like fluffy or buttery or something. I never felt whatever that kind of stuff is. I really felt a bubblegum slime. But this looks like bubblegum because it's a really nice color of like bubblegum. So really nice light pink. It's still a little sticky, but that's okay. Okay, that's the first pink. Next is gonna be this pink, and it's gonna be has like a full drop. A little more than that, because that was just a half drop. Okay, that's good. Hopefully this will be super pretty. Those are really different, so I'm going to add a little bit more, but I'm going to try to hurry this up for not bore you guys with my ombre slime. Getting worked out, guys. Truly getting worked out. Okay, so these are my first two ones. They don't look different on camera, but they are. Last one is just really pretty one right here. Well, I guess it's not really pretty because they all kind of look like that. So here's another one. Sorry, happened again, but I'm back. And again, I haven't done anything yet, so oh, I'm not showing food dye very well. There's some food dye. I'll try to hurry this up for I don't have to leave you guys again because that was lonely and sad to have you guys with me. Mixing in the color. Oh yes, it's much darker. Look how pretty this color is. Add a little more to this one. I'm trying to hurry up because my phone's almost dead. My storage is all full. That's why I kept having to leave you guys because I keep saying my storage is full. So I had to keep deleting all this stuff. Okay. So here's my first one. Okay, now I have my second one right here. And then the third one. It's a really nice swirl, though it's pretty hard with normal slime. Perfect. It's turned out to be really pretty pink, and it's already done mixing. Like 5 seconds, but that's okay, I guess. This is a really nice slime. If you guys like this video, make sure to comment down below, and if you want me to do more of these kind of videos, then also comment down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I get a new video out. I love you guys so much. Oh, and that's the thing on the floor. Bye!